Hello my scrappy peeps, it's Cheyenne. So as promised in my last video, here is a Pirates of the Caribbean scrapbook process video. We are still continuing to scrapbook my Disney trip from 2011, 2012, somewhere in there, 2012. That's it. Alright, so I am finding that the Once Upon a Time paper stack from Die Cuts with a View is pretty amazing for scrapbooking Magic Kingdom photos. It works for Adventureland, Frontierland, Little Liberty Square, and Fantasyland. Like, it's perfect. Like, the only thing that you might need something for is possibly Main Street and definitely Tomorrowland, because there is nothing for, you know, the future that never was, the tomorrow that never was, in the Once Upon a Dream, Once Upon a Time paper stack. So I've pulled this one. It is wonderful. We've got Treasure Island, we've got Treasure Map in the corner, perfect for a Pirates theme, right? And then I've got these photos of me and my kiddo in the queue of the Pirates ride. For those of you that don't know, I did work at the Magic Kingdom, and Pirates of the Caribbean is one of the rides that I worked, and I have been all over that ride, top to bottom, and it is quite something amazing. And I love the queue area for it. There's lots of different things for you to watch and look at. It's very detailed. Like, up here you see a cannon. Well, there's like stuff actually up there in the theming for it too, and like all of the different, you know, cargo type stuff, supplies back behind there. That is awesome. So lots of detail in that. Take the time to look at the queues. Disney has so much attention to detail. It's amazing. So all right, we're going to get this together. I'm going to use some of the pieces that I designed for my Cricut to print and cut, and we're going to add that all in there as well. It's going to be kept pretty simple. Oh, I've also got this It's a Pirate's Life for Me Savvy project mouse card that I also got from, I think I got this from Pinterest, and I went ahead and print and cut it out. So we've got all of that, plus our Cricut printables that we did ourselves, and we're going to put these all together. Okay, so here we have the finished layout. Now, I think this is pretty nice. I don't feel that it's like too much, like it's still keeping with the simple theme that I have going on for this set. Got my hidden Mickey in there. Again, all of these images here I found on a Google search. Got the images, made our own print and cut files. You can see how to do that in my previous video. And yeah, added some bling, because of course pirates don't just have coins, they also have, you know, some pearls and jewels and diamonds and stuff. And I think that added a nice, like, finishing touch. Like, to me, that's what, like, elevated it up to the next level, not just, like, you know, gluing pieces of paper onto another piece of paper. Like, it made it more creative. But that's just me. That's how I like it. So let's get a little bit of a closer look. We've got some dimension going on. Very happy with how this turned out, and it was pretty quick and simple to do. I think the hardest part about doing your scrapbooking is figuring out what you're going to do, right? I mean, you can have a basic idea of how it's going to go, and then it goes its own way, and you're never quite sure how it's going to end up, right? And you just keep playing with it and messing with it until it's what you like. And that's what's important. You scrapbook for you. When you're doing your creative endeavors, your artwork, your mixed media, even making your own planner stickers, it's to make you happy. It's not to please anybody else. So remember that. That is important. That will help you to find peace in your soul. Okay, so alright, that is it for today. And until next time, happy scrapping. Bye!